During the COVID-19 pandemic, we have faced a lot of issues for our fitness journeys. The gyms are closed, the yoga centers are closed, and it's very difficult to maintain our fitness journey during this time. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can achieve this at home. Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park. Let's get started. The service I use for this purpose is called Cure.fit. Cure.fit is a platform where you can do your fitness journeys right from your home. Of course, before the pandemic, they had their gyms and yoga centers in different places of the city so that you can go there and do your fitness journey. But as of now, they have launched a new service called Cure.fit.live. Cure.fit Live is a subscription platform where you will be able to access various live classes of your favorite exercise. They have live classes every hour of different type of exercise. As you can see here, it is Surya Namaskar Yoga and it is going at 9 AM live right now, and again there is a different class for 10 AM. If you are into boxing, then again you will be able to access those classes, or if you are into dance fitness, then those type of classes also will be there. It's completely your choice. You can choose any type of classes you want and just exercise alone or with your friends. You can access the live classes by clicking on the desired time you want. Let me select 10 AM over here and I will click join. It will remind me at 10 AM to join the class, and it will be a 1 hour class where I will be learning 54 rounds of Surya Namaskar. These guys are pretty professional with what they do. So if you are a noob like me and you have no idea about how to maintain your fitness journey, then these people will help you a lot. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I will be joining the 9 AM class and we will see how it is. As you can see, this class is going on right now and around 238 people are watching it live, and it's been going on for about 19 minutes right now. Usually there will be a person showing you how to do the exercise and a person teaching you about it. There is attendance system in this which will give you reports based on your classes attended, as well as give you motivation for doing it again. You can choose whatever exercise you want. There is no limit about it, and you can also do as many times as you wish. Again, there is no limit. Here we can see the fitness journey. I haven't attended much in the past weeks, so I have attended just 2 classes, and this is the calories burnt during those classes. Here you can see my membership. That's actually, I had taken a membership for 1 year in January for the class, and I was given the live classes subscription as a complimentary. Live.fit is available on your PC, phone or tablet. It's completely up to you where you will be accessing it. Yes, it also has Chromecast support. If you just want the live subscription, then this is the pricing for you. You will get the best price if you take 10 plus 2 months, which is 2,299 per year. If you make the payments through Paytm, then you will be getting an additional 10% off. It is available for 10 months, 6 months as well as 3 months. It's completely up to you how many months you want to try it. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment down your views and thoughts. Subscribe for more such content. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye now.